Hi, tips and tricks again. Here they are. So today we're going to be talking about negative exponents and what they are. My big hint for today is negative exponents do not make the number negative. What it means is reciprocal, and I'll show you why. So here's my example. We have a to the third divided by a to the fifth. So I'm gonna write that out. A to the third is a times a times a, and a to the fifth is a times a times a times a times a. So now we can cancel things out. So these a's cancel out, those a's cancel out, and those a's cancel out. So what are we left with on the bottom? We're left with a times a, which is a squared. What's left on the top? Now, it's not nothing. We can't just leave nothing there. It's just a squared. What is on the top is a 1. So now let's apply our rule for exponents. Remember, if it's division, it goes back one step and we subtract. So this would be a to the 3 minus 5. It's always top minus bottom, which would be a to the minus 2. So a to the minus 2 is equal to 1 over a squared. So what that negative means is reciprocal. It means you put that power in the opposite place. So if it's in the numerator, if it goes in the denominator, it goes in the denominator. If it was a to the minus 2 in the denominator, it would go up to the numerator. So, as an example, what is 3 to the minus 3 power? It's not a negative number. What we need to do is write it as 1 over 3 to the third power, which is 1 over 27. And it's positive, not negative. Have a great day. Bye.